Hi guys, miss you all. I hope you all staying good, stay safe. So we're gonna continue our session about matrices, but today we're gonna take the addition and subtraction between matrices, like any operation we have in math. So matrices also have some operations like addition and subtraction. So today is addition and subtraction of matrices. But like any math problem, we have some condition to make the addition and subtraction happen. First, we need to make sure that both matrices are the same system. So like we said, the system is the number of rows and multiply number of columns, like this one. Can do this operation like this one, 2, 1, 3, thus the system of this operation, the system of this matrix is for the rows 1, 2, 3. So 3 rows times how many columns? 1. But here is the system is 2 rows. So 2 rows like this one. Yes, 2 rows multiply how many columns? So 2. So the row as the system of this matrix is 3 times 1. But the system of this matrix is 2 times 2. So there are different matrices. So there are different system of matrix. So we cannot the operation. So we cannot make addition or subtraction whatever you have. So to make sure the addition or subtraction happen, they must have the same system. Both matrices must have the same system. Like this one. How many rows? 2. How many columns? Also 2. Here the rows 2, also the column is 2. So the system here is 2 times 2, and here is the system is 2 times 2. So both matrices can be added to each other. So both matrices can be added to each other. Why? Because they have the same system. Because they are having the same system. They are having the same system. So when you can make the addition or subtraction between two matrices, the two matrices must have the same system, the same number of rows and the same number of columns. But here, we cannot make the addition or subtraction. Why? Because they don't have the same number of the system. Here is 3 times 1, here 3 times 1, and here is 2 times 2. So to make add or subtract between two matrices, we need to make sure they having the same system. So let's see the first example. Let A equal the matrix you have now, and B equal this one. Okay, so he need A plus B. A plus B. So before we do anything, can we make A plus B? Let's see. How many rows we have here? 1, 2. So 2 times how many columns? 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 3. So let's see the next one. How many rows here? 2. How many columns here? 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 3. 2 times 3. So both matrices are having the same system. So we can make add now easily. But how we gonna make add? How we gonna make add between the element inside the matrices? So can we make negative 2 plus 2? No. Let's see. Here the addition between matrices. The number of elements. So this is the A here is S11, like we said in the last session, S11, and H here is S22. In the second row, the second column. Okay, so can we make A plus H? No, we can't make A plus H because A in S11. So to make N, we gonna make S11 in the first matrix plus S11 of the second matrix. So A plus E, C plus G, B plus F, B plus F, D plus H. But we can make P plus E because B here is S2, 1. and G here is S1, 2. So they must have the same number of elements inside the matrix. So now we're gonna make negative 2 plus 5, negative 2 plus 5, 0 plus 7, 1 minus 1, 5 plus 0, negative 7 plus 2, 8 minus 8. So negative 2 and 5, 3, 0 and 7, 7, 1 minus 1, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, negative 7 plus 2, negative 5, 8 minus 8, 0. So now it's easy to make addition between the two matrices. Okay, so we have two conditions to make add or subtract between two matrices. The first condition, they have the same number of the system. They have the same number of the system. The second one, to make add the number of the element inside the matrix plus or minus the number of the element of the second matrix. Okay, so here, like this one, 5 in S, yes, second row, first column, so S2, 1. And here is 2 is second row, second column, so S2, 2. Can we make S1, S21 plus S22? No, S21 plus S21. So 5 plus 0, negative 7 here is S22, so plus S22. Right, so now it's easy to make add or subtract between any two matrices. Okay, let's see this example, but he needs A minus B. So A, negative 2, 0, 1, 5, negative 7, 8. B, 5, 7, negative 1, 0, 2, negative 8. So we're gonna make minus between these matrices. Negative 2 minus 7 or 5. Negative 2 minus 7 or 5. No, negative 2 minus 5. So S11 minus S11, like the addition. So negative 5 minus 5, negative 2 minus 5, sorry. Negative 2 minus 5, 0 minus 7, 1 minus 1, so minus by minus, so it's gonna be plus 5 minus 0, negative 7 minus 2, 8 minus 8, so negative by negative is gonna be positive, so 8 plus 8. So negative 2 minus 5, negative 7, 0 minus 7, negative 7. 1 minus negative 1, so minus by minus, it's gonna be positive. So 1 plus 1 equal 2. 5 minus 0, 5. Negative 7, negative 2, negative 9. 8, negative by negative, positive. So 8 plus 8 equals 15. Okay, so let's see the next one. Is it possible to find the sum between this matrix and this matrix? Let's see. The two conditions can be a chord of these matrices. So how many rows here? 2. How many column here? 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 3. The system of the first matrix is 2 times 3. The next one, 1, 2. So 1 is the first row, second row, third row. So 3 times how many columns? 2. Here is the system is 2 times 3. Here is the system 3 times 2. Can we make add? Of course not, because they don't have the same system. They don't have the same system. To make sum or minus, they must have the same number of systems. The same number of systems. So let's see next one. Here he needs different operation. He needs to find a negative 2a. You have a equal this matrix. A equals this matrix. So he needs to find negative 2 of this matrix, which is you have now. So I'm gonna multiply each element of this matrix, multiply by negative 2. So 3 by negative 2, 2 by negative 2, 0 by negative 2, negative 1 by negative 2, negative 3 by negative 2, 6 by negative 2, and 2 multiply negative 2, 0 by negative 2, negative 10 by negative 2. So I'm gonna multiply each element inside the matrix of A multiply negative 2. Okay, so negative 2 by 3, negative 6, negative 2 by negative 1, 2, negative 2 multiply 2, negative 4, negative 2 multiply 2, negative 4, negative 2 multiply negative 3, so negative by negative positive 2 by 3, 6, negative 2 by 0, 0, negative 2 by 0, 0, negative 2 by 6, negative 12, negative 2 by negative 10 is 20. So let's see the last one. 3 and 6, negative 3 minus 6, plus negative 4, 5, negative 7, 8, minus 0, negative 10 to 11. So you can't make all operation once, but if you can't, you can make in two methods. So we're gonna find first plus between these matrices, and in the last step we're gonna make minus the third matrix. So 3 minus 4, negative 1, negative 3, negative 7, negative 10, negative 6, and negative, negative 6 plus 8, 2, and 6 plus 5, 11. So here is the matrix we said we found it from the addition between these matrices. Okay, so the addition between these matrices, so we found the result of the addition between the first two matrices. So we're gonna make minus the third one, so minus 0 over negative 10 and 2, 11. So negative 1 minus 0, negative 1, negative 10 minus negative 10, so minus minus positive, so negative 10 positive 10, 0, 11 minus 2, 11 minus 2, so it's gonna be 9, and 2 minus 11 gonna be negative 9. So the addition and subtraction is very easy between matrices, but you have to make sure they have the same number of systems. So thank you guys, and stay safe. Thank you.